Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a brand new BNB staker slash miner, and this one is BNB staking. Before we get any further, remember nothing in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. So this one has one of the highest rewards I've seen, up to 16% per day. It's insane. That's a 5,840% ROI. So they have a Telegram link, contract link, and of course a start staking. So here we have our interface. You invest your BNB to hire BNB validators, and then you can either recompound your stake or pocket your BNB, which is your withdrawal. So staking raw, again, you hire validators using BNB. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. Your validators will start digging, placing the tokens they find into your barrel. You can compound your earnings using the higher validators or the compound staking. And then you can withdraw them by using the pocket BNB. So we have a min deposit of 0.01 BNB and a maximum of 30 BNB to stop whales dumping loads and loads into the contract at once. So I'm just going to test it out with a 0.01 BNB stake. Again, with these sort of projects, invest where you are willing to lose. The rewards can be pretty juicy, but again, this stuff can get risky. And it is a miner at the end of the day. But again, my 0.01, it's not a huge sum of money. It doesn't really matter too much. And then I'm just trying out the platform here. So it shouldn't take too much longer, and this transaction should have gone through. As we can see, BuyX has gone through. So now if I refresh, I do believe if I connect my wallet, this is the D at 0.048 per hour, and then of course I'll be able to see how much I have mined. I think since I did such a small amount, I won't be able to see it until the rewards are high. So bear that in mind. If you're putting in the minimum, you won't actually see your rewards straight away, but I believe it should show up in Mined. There also is a referral program where you can earn 8% of what people deposit. This is just a level 1 system, so I will have a link below. But if you do in fact sign up, drop your link below that as well, so someone else can use a different link to earn some rewards. So this is how you start staking. You pretty much saw it here, but of course you need the Binance Smart Chain on your MetaMask. Again, there are so many guides to do this from MetaMask. If you just Google how to add Binance Smart Chain, you'll be able to get it. And then you will need to send BNB because that is the coin to use to deposit on here. In MetaMask, again, you can use PancakeSwap to swap your BNB to BNB Infinity token. And then to staking BNB, again, you enter your BNB amount, hire the validators like we've just done. You can compound and then withdraw using the pocket BNB. The object of the game is to hire more validators sooner more often than other players, which will earn you more BNB faster. Hiring more validators using your daily BNB earnings will 3 times your validators within 30 days or less. Because remember, it's a 16% per day, which is pretty ridiculous. So like other miners, you want to do the 6-to-1 ratio. So 6 days of the week you want to compound your stake, and then on the 7th day you want to pocket your BNB. If you do this, then you will be able to get up to this 6% daily profit. However, if you don't compound as much and if you pocket more, you won't actually get this 16% reward. And that again stops people draining the contract. You want people to compound their stakes a lot. And that is pretty much it. It's a verified contract. You can see it on BSC scan. That was my transaction. Here we can see the contract here. Currently we've got 50 BNB. And again, we can see stuff's been popping up over the past few hours. More people are getting involved to staking BNB. And yeah, 16% per day. Remember, it's high risk. Smart validators, again, it's a public contract, so they can't actually change this, so they can't run away with your money. It's already in the contract, which is the safe part. But remember, your initial stake goes into the contract and then you will just pocket your rewards. But that is staking BNB. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section down below and I'm sure they'll answer them in their Telegram group. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next one.